dire nga subok na rin yung gabi, masaksiyan nyo, kumbaga, ang first launching sa Arzel Philippines MTV nga makita niyo sa Tatak Ilonggo, Channel 41. Partners?
Ngayong gabi sa kanan, pili sa amon yung show, din yung exclusive na lang daw ang amon yung mga music videos ng mga artist. At hindi ka mo malipat pagsuportahan kami sa amon na RS Phoenix MTV. Hindi nyo makita kada episode sa YouTube at sa amon mga artist. Pero yan, BG Earning and also kanya rin ang artist.
Ngayong gabi, di kahapon sa tuntunan. And before anything else, I would like to greet everybody. Happy Dinagyak, happy Kasiborahan. And welcome sa launching sa RSL Phoenix MTV. I'm BJ Irish, I'm an Ilonggo artist. And kung gusto niyo sa mga Ilonggo songs, may compilation kami of album Ilonggo Trinity, Pop Infinity for 80 pesos. Near lang the stage, kanto lang kami. Yes, partner, you're right. So excited na ko. Kasi mo pala yung tataksyong pala na excited na. Nakulbaan kami tanan. But before we start, hindi tayo niya malitan. Before we finally start the show, we would like to thank our beloved presenters and sponsors who made this event possible. Let's start with our major presenters, Tatak Ilonggo, Channel 41, Infinity Magazine, Smart Mobile, Infinity Events and Production, Honorable Vice Mayor Judith Espinosa, Honorable Mayor Jed Patrick Mavilo, and the City Government of Iloilo, Honorable Governor Arthur Defensor, and the Iloilo Provincial Government, Honorable Congressman Gerard P. Breñas, Iloilo Councilor League President Attorney Suzette Atizada, Honorable Board Member Jed Rojas, Donna Padilla of Junior Taxi, Dr. Sandra Sarabia Gomez, Sarabia Honor Hotel and Convention Center President, Natividad Realty, Beauty Economics Facial Care Center, Pacific Odds Printer, the News Today, our official media partner, our official makeup artist, Cartito Kirara Aldabon, and Engineer Arthur Diala Surveying Office in La Paz, Iloilo. Yes, mga partners. May production pa lang daw ako. Alright! Sino unahon ko? Sino yan ang first na mga Ilonggo artists na ma-perform sa mga gabi? Okay, introduce ko na. Ano na ko, partner? Subong pa lang to. Excited ko na i-introduce ang first performer. Okay. Alam, kasi nga Ilonggo Divas kung wala siya. She's a beautiful girl with a big voice na filming nag-impra sa singing contest. Win or lose, wala siya labot. Sino na yan? Cute daw siya, tapos guwapa. Okay na. Pati na. Joke lang to yan. Okay, performing her first single, Ikaw. Please welcome Irish Tea. This is my first single entitled Ikaw.
Gusto bumabalaan to